the Capilano Bridge Park. We just got in, we just went to the CR and we're just moving.
Now, during this Great Depression and winter in Tahiti, Runway. They've invited local carvers to place their totem poles in the park to improve business in the summer.
I am Ray Mitchell. Buying the bridge was a
There are totem poles. Totem poles. The first pole carved by Wayne Kerlick at the Suspension Bridge Park.
So we are here in Capilano Bridge. Yeah, there's the totems. And then there's a picture, a boat. Because they were carvers. So maraming wood carving. Oh, carving knife from one generation to the next. Okay, there are poles carved. Raquel! Hi, Raquel! Are you enjoying the suspension bridge? Oh, you're scared? You're not gonna fall. Don't worry. It's just a river. River yan, di ba, babe? River below. Saan na sila? Ayun, mauna na sila. Nasa likod. So we're here now at the suspension bridge. And mahaba pa. Mahaba pa ang lalakarin natin. Ayun, they're taking pictures. They survived! Kamusta, RG? Napagod ka? Ha? Yeah?
Awan! Sino Noah?
Noah, look at Marcos. Cheese!
Picture! Yeah, so we're now doing a challenge. A Rainforest Ranger challenge. Yan, ang mga bata, they're trying to look for the answers. So we're gonna look for the answers based on the paper. So this is the map. Yan. But I don't know kung asan kami pupunta. Wala, ang lakas ng loob ng mga bata. Ayan yung answer, number 2, Rangers Raccoon. So we're still in number 2. Number 3 is on the other side. Yep.
Surprisingly.
Ayan, nasa baba na tayo. Nakaikot na tayo sa treetop. Ayan yung treetop. Doon yung entrance. Ako rin eh. Yan, doon yung entrance. And then we went around here. Yan. We went around. Going here. Then we're now going down. Okay. Rester, where are the kids? Sana sila? The number 3 question. So there are answers and numbers in every part. Siyang mag-answer. No, yun. Yan. Tama ba? Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, hold daddy, Rachel. Ollie Otter's catch of the day. Bonjour, I'm Ollie. I'm dipping my net to see what animals I can find. Oh look, it's a salamander. Oh, you need to check. This is the answer for number 4. You need to measure yourself. Douglas Fair. Yan, busy sila. Ah, seryoso. Seryoso sa ano, sa test.
The prize.
You really want the prize?
Yeah.
Yeah. So are your answers correct? Are you sure about your answers?
Slug crossing.
You're not sure?
No, guys, it's that way. Wrong way, guys.
How do you know where to go?
Arrow.
Ah, there's an arrow. Okay, tama. Galing nyo ah. Hindi ko napansin yun may arrow. You need to follow the arrows. Okay. Ang sarap, ang lamig. Parang hindi ka napapagod pag malamig eh. Mamaya na lang, mararamdaman mo yung pagod. Okay. Ah, may CR pala dito. Ayun o. May restroom. Sa gitna. Ayun na sila, number 5 na. So they're now claiming their prize. We're done. Check your answers. Pass your papers.
That one.
Rachel, you pass. Guys, congratulations. Good job, everybody. Rachel, get your prize. Thank you. Say thank you.